Greenlight Networks is proud to introduce the Portal. The Portal is a tool provided by Greenlight Networks to give customers the ability to manage their account. Customers will be able to view, pay their bill, stay up to date with outages and other alerts, check on the status of their orders, and much more. This video will give you a detailed overview of the different ways you as a customer can utilize the portal. An email will be sent to the primary email address on file, providing you with the instructions needed to register your portal account. You will need to verify your email address is accurate by clicking the link provided in the email labeled as Verify. Once logged in, the first page you will see is your dashboard. Here you will find a general snapshot of your whole account. The menu on the left will bring you to pages that allow you to manage your account and pay your bill, create a ticket to report an issue or ask a question, view any alerts related to your account, and check the status of your order. We'll start with the dashboard page. Under this section labeled My Account, you'll find information related to your bill. If you currently have a balance due on your account, you will see that balance in bold here. You will also see details such as when your payment will automatically be processed, how much your previous payment was, and when your previous payment was received. To the right, you'll find a section labeled Alerts. Here, you will see any urgent messages related to your account that Greenlight Networks is trying to make you aware of. You may have an alert in this section related to the following situations: outages with updates, scheduled or emergency maintenances, expiring or needing e-pay, past due balance, confirming your order, or scheduling an installation. Each alert will be accompanied by an email from Greenlight Networks to ensure you are notified of these urgent messages in multiple ways. To view more details about an alert, click the Alerts page on the left-hand menu. The section at the bottom left of the dashboard page is labeled as Helpful Links. This section will provide you with links to pages that are frequently used by customers. Here, you can view and open tickets with Greenlight, opt in and out of mass SMS text messages, learn how you can pay your bill, run a speed test, and discover other ways Greenlight can support you using our Frequently Asked Questions page. The next page listed on the left-hand menu is your Account page. The Account page will allow you to manage your payments, your profile, and your contacts. Under the Payments tab, you can see if you have a balance due, make a payment, change the payment method we have on file, and view a detailed version of each of your previous bills. The Profile tab will allow you to manage your portal login information, change your billing address, view your service address and district, and view the services you subscribe to with Greenlight Networks. And finally, the Contacts tab will let you add and remove anyone who may need to be contacted regarding your account. Each contact will include a name, address, email, and phone number and be listed as either a primary customer contact or secondary portal contact. The next page you'll see on the left-hand menu is for support. Here, you can submit a ticket with Greenlight Networks to inquire about sales, billing, or support. The sales option should be used to ask about a pending order or to check service availability. Use the billing option to ask a question about your bill. And finally, the support choice is used to report a technical issue you are experiencing with your internet service. Once the correct option is chosen, provide a brief description of your issue and/or question and click Submit. The section to the right of that form, called Helpful Links, is identical to the Helpful Links section on the dashboard page. To view or manage any open tickets, click the My Open Tickets link. Here you can see any tickets associated with your account. If you submit a support ticket for an issue or question and resolve the issue or find an answer to your question, you can resolve the ticket yourself. To do so, click on the ticket number for the ticket you would like to resolve. A form will pop up and allow you to set the ticket status to Resolved. Enter a note for why you're resolving the ticket and click Save. Typically, a support ticket would be used to report a technical issue or question outside of our hours of operation. You can also use the chat functions on the portal to chat with a customer support agent Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. The Orders page on the left-hand menu will show you all new and old orders associated with your account. If you are waiting to be installed, you can check the status of your order on the New Orders tab. You can see when the order was created, what type of order it is, and what the status of the order currently is. To get a better idea of what the icon means for the status of your order, hover your cursor over the green eye next to status. If you see a clipboard with a check, we are still working to complete the necessary preparations to begin building your district. A calendar icon means your district has completed all the necessary preparations and is scheduled to be installed. A screwdriver and wrench indicates that construction has begun in your district. The home icon lets you know that we are waiting for your outside drop to be completed. The plug icon means the drop has been installed and the inside installation needs to be done. And finally, the Wi-Fi logo indicates that you are now hooked up to Greenlight networks and receiving up to 5 times faster internet speeds. The final page listed on the left-hand menu is called Help. This will bring you to the Frequently Asked Questions page on greenlightnetworks.com. We suggest checking this page for an answer to your question before reaching out to our customer support team. Greenlight Networks is proud to be able to provide such a powerful tool to our customers. As we grow, we understand the importance of finding ways to make using our service easier for all. We hope you enjoy the features of this portal and utilize them to make your Greenlight experience even better.